what is Spring Boot and why it is used. Okay, so as we all know, Spring Boot is Java framework which helps us to build a REST API on top of Java. Okay, so like as you see in the first point, Spring Boot Java Spring Boot is a Java framework which helps us to build a REST API. Okay, and the main reason why are we going for Spring Boot is it has the container called IOSC container, so it injects the dependencies whenever we want. Okay, so for example, you are having a controller and service and a repository, all this thing, right? So whenever you want to inject the service into the appropriate controller, then using this simple annotation, we can able to inject it, but that injection will happen based on this IOSC container. Okay, this IOSC container is like a major component in the Spring Boot applications, and in order to set up the application, it is not having that much complicated. Just you can create a Spring Boot application in the Spring Boot website, and we can able to download that base project configuration, and we can easily import into the IntelliJ IDE or Eclipse IDE, and we can start our work. And then it has a embedded server. This embedded server is nothing but in the application itself it has a embedded Tomcat server, so it will be helpful for to run the application during the development timing. In case if you want to use the same embedded server in the real-time application, that is also fine, but still mainly this will be useful for run the application during the development timing. Okay, and the main advantage of using Spring Boot is the microservice architecture. As we all know, the Netflix is predominantly using Spring Boot along with the microservices architecture. So when you want to module the application based on some architecture, then we can go for the microservice architecture. And when it comes to a complex applications and very large applications, then this microservices architecture can be implemented using the Spring Boot application. So all the microservices configuration will be available. If you want, we can able to incorporate the configurations into our application, and we can create easily we can create a microservices architecture. Okay, so by using simple annotations, we can able to inject the necessary modules. As I mentioned earlier, like if you want to inject the service into the controller or repository into the service or any other scheduler or anything, whatever that library that you want to use, or you want to inject some modules, by using a simple annotations, we can able to achieve all these things. Okay, and also it has a database, like if you want to connect MySQL, Oracle or Postgres, MongoDB, so whatever the database that it is available in the market, everything can be connected into our Spring Boot application with the necessary driver support. And also if you want to add some modules to our project, the third-party modules means just by mentioning the Maven repository URL or any Gradle repository URL means, then we can able to download that appropriate repository or the library into our projects. So this is the reason like Spring Boot is very popular in terms of REST API, specifically for the Java applications. Okay.